Hey everyone, welcome back to It Rule Over Feeling. I'm Steve, your friendly neighborhood trader who used to cry over every red candle and chase every green pump until I finally learned that rules beat feelings every single time. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're all about trading psychology, killing emotional decisions, and building simple, rule-based systems that actually put money in your pocket. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest account killers out there, FOMO, fear of missing out, and its evil twin, greed. You know the feeling. Bitcoin pumps 20% in a day, your friends are posting screenshots on social media, Elon tweets something cryptic, and suddenly your finger is hovering over the buy button thinking, I can't miss this. In this ultimate guide, your boy Steve is going to walk you through my classic epic fail story, with plenty of cartoon humiliation, the brain science behind why your head turns into a dopamine junkie, Steve's 5 unbreakable rules to crush FOMO and greed forever, real-world case studies like the 2021 crypto bubble that destroyed trillions, plus role-play scenarios, viewer challenges, and practical exercises you can do right now. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact tools to trade calm, disciplined, and profitable, ending with me chilling on the beach while profits roll in automatically. Why should you listen to me? Because I've been wrecked by FOMO more times than I can count, chasing pumps in crypto, stocks, forex, you name it. But once I locked in these rules, everything changed. And right now, searches for how to avoid FOMO in crypto and how to stop being greedy in trading are exploding. So if you're watching this, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. If you feel that FOMO itch coming, shout out loud right now, rule over feeling. Ready? Let's go. First, let me introduce you to, well, me, Steve. Picture this. It's a normal trading Tuesday. I'm scrolling through X, see a meme coin up 800% in 48 hours. Everyone's getting rich except me. Heart racing, palms sweaty, dollar signs in my eyes. I ignore my 1% risk rule, my setup checklist, everything. I YOLO half my account in at the top. Confetti explodes. I do a victory dance. Then, bam! The dump begins, price craters 90%. My portfolio turns into a bloodbath. Tears stream down my face, I bang my head on the desk. That's not just a funny cartoon, that's real life for millions of traders. FOMO makes you buy late at the top, missing the real move, but catching the crash. Greed makes you hold way past your profit target. It'll go higher, turning winners into losers. Together, they cause revenge trading, over-leveraging, margin calls, and blown accounts. But here's the good news. It's not a character flaw. It's biology. Your brain is literally wired to do this. Let's break down the science. Fun style, no boring lecture. Dopamine 101. Think of it as your brain's candy dealer. Every time you win a trade, or even just anticipate winning, dopamine floods your system. It feels incredible. Rule number 1. Have a written non-negotiable trading plan. No plan equals FOMO playground. Your plan is your anchor. It must include max risk per trade, 1% or less, exact entry and exit criteria, daily and weekly loss limits, which markets and time frames you trade, and no trading outside your edge. Example, my old plan was whatever looks good. New plan, only long setups above 200 EMA with RSI greater than 50 and volume confirmation. If it doesn't match, walk away. No exceptions. Rule number 2, zoom out plus ruthless research. Ignore the noise. FOMO lives in the 1-minute chart and Twitter hype. Zoom to daily or weekly to see the real picture. Steps. Check fundamentals and news from reliable sources only. No random telegram pumps. Use higher time frame confirmation. Ask yourself, would I take this trade if no one was talking about it? Rule number 3. Kill the hype triggers. Turn off price alerts except for your exact setups. Mute FOMO accounts on X, Discord, TikTok. Set your phone to Do Not Disturb during trading hours. Use website blockers if needed. My rule: if I didn't plan to look at it today, I don't look. Rule number 4. Take profits mechanically. No, just a little more. Greed's favorite line. Counter it with fixed targets. For example, 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk-reward. Scale out. Take 50% at first target, trail the rest. Accept that you'll miss some home runs, and that's okay. Markets give new opportunities every day. Missing one pump doesn't ruin you. Holding and losing does. Rule number 5. Journal plus routine equals accountability. Journal every trade, setup, emotion, whether you followed the rule or not. Outcome: fixed trading hours, no 3 a.m. revenge sessions. Weekly review: what triggered FOMO or greed? How can rules be tighter? Demo trade new rules for 30 days before going live. Real-world proof. Case studies. Case study 1. The 2021 crypto mega bubble. Bitcoin went from 30,000 to 69,000. Greed everywhere. It's different this time. Tesla buys, institutions piling in, NFTs exploding. Then, China ban, Elon flips, leverage unwinds, 50% plus crash. Trillions vanished because people held for one more leg up. Lesson: weekly RS, I was screaming overbought. My plan said, no new longs above 80 RSI. Those who followed kept cash. Those who chased, wrecked. Case study 2. The classic meme coin pump and dump. Dogecoin 2021, Shiba Inu, countless others. FOMO buys at all-time highs to 90% plus drawdowns. Greed holders bag to 0. Now your turn. Exercises and challenges. 1. Write your full trading plan this week. Template link in the description. 2. Journal your last 5 emotional trades. Spot the FOMO or greed pattern. 3. Next time you feel the itch, say, rule over feeling. Check the 5 rules, walk away if it fails any. 4. 30-day no hype challenge. Block social media during market hours. Look at me now, from cliff diving disasters to beach hammock. Green shield glowing. Profits raining while I sip something cold. That can be you. You've got the science, the rules, the stories. Now, it's execution time. If this helped, drop a like, comment your biggest takeaway or your FOMO horror story, and subscribe for more no BS trading psychology. Next video: how Steve stopped revenge trading forever. You don't want to miss it. Until then, rule over feeling. Trade smart. Stay disciplined. See you in the next one.